Welcome back to the channel. I just got an early Christmas present. It's a neck and shoulder massager from Naipo. It's a special Christmas edition. It's a Shiatsu massager. Feels really great. First, let me show you the box that this massager came in. It's so pretty. It's a bright Christmassy red. It even has a ribbon. Very beautiful box. You don't even have to gift wrap this. Make a great Christmas present. So as I mentioned, this is the Christmas edition. It's a beautiful Christmassy red and has snowflake patterns on it. It's very pretty. This also comes in a black or a dark blue, but I love the red, and I'm certainly going to use this all year. This comes with the AC plug, the wall plug, and also a cigarette lighter plug in case you want to take this in your car. That would be really relaxing for a passenger. I don't think it'd be safe for a driver to use, but it'd be great for a passenger. Here are the controls. It's plugged in. The top button is for the power on and off. Ooh, I can feel that moving. And the second is to change between, well, turn it on. The second is to change between clockwise and counterclockwise movement. The third is the heat button. And the last one is the intensity. So you can see the nodes, the massage nodes in action. The heat's on, that's why they're red. If I turn the heat off, then you won't be able to see them as well. And change the intensity. It's a low speed, medium, and it gets higher. And then the second button changes the direction from clockwise to counterclockwise and vice versa. Just toggles back and forth. So you can get an idea from looking at the massage nodes just how relaxing this would be. So many people suffer from neck and shoulder pain, even if it's just occasional pain, especially those who sit a lot, and then everybody's always looking down at their phones and devices, and that can really lead to a lot of neck and shoulder pain. So this is something almost anyone could use. Take a look at inside the sleeve. It's very soft. It looks like a velveteen material. So I was just looking at the user manual, and it does show that you can use this on your thighs, on your hips. There are different ways you can use this. Oh my gosh, I'm fascinated with watching the nodes move. It gives you a good idea of just how relaxing the massager feels. This feels so relaxing. So that's a look at the Naipo neck and shoulder massager. Please check the description section below this video for more information. There'll be links to the product and to our social media, and we really do appreciate your likes and comments. Thanks for watching.